Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with the craft haul video. I have items that I purchased from AliExpress and the Dollar Tree, and then I have a card share for you and then a surprise at the end. So let's get started. So all the items that I purchased from AliExpress, I put in this box so they wouldn't be all over the place, and then I didn't want to pull out all those individual bags because they crinkle so much. So first off, I purchased this really pretty velvet ribbon. I got it in the pink, I did get it in the green, and I got it in this really gorgeous yellow. So I think I saw Craft Purge here on YouTube purchase this and share it, and I thought it was a really good deal, so purchased those. And then I purchased some really sweet little pink bows, and this is what they look like. They are so tiny. Aren't they cute though? I think they look awesome on projects where you just need a little something something. I picked up some binder clips. I picked up the pink, the blue, the orange, and the yellow. And these are just primarily for personal use. I may put them on a craft project, but most likely not. And then I picked up these really pretty flat back butterflies, and they are so pretty. Look at these. Look at that glitter, or that shine rather. I like them all. You got your pink, your blue, your yellow, darker, I think the butterfly is actually blue, dark blue or maybe black, and then your baby pink, and then your kind of like aqua, and then your white. So pretty. And then picked up these cute little fawns, blue and pink, and this is what they look like. Super cute and adorable. And some of them don't have the little ear painted, that little ear that's turned, and some of them do. But look at the little tail at the back. So adorable. And then I picked up these fishtails. They are shell flatback fishtails, that's what they're called. And look at these. They're so nice. I don't know which one would be my favorite. I really like that blue one, but then again, I like that green one there. Super nice. And so then I picked up this die. It's a 3-piece set. Has the I think it's for a shaker, and then it has this one die that makes streamers, so like a celebration. And so I cut it out in the yellow, and then the orange, if I can pick it up here. I bent it a little. And the orange, I think that's pretty. Yep, nice. So that was my haul from AliExpress. So now let's move on to Dollar Tree. So I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, and they actually had some new stickers. What I thought were stickers, but actually they were rub-ons. So let me show you those. They have these, super spooky. And then they have these, kind of the retro look with the black cat and orange. And then they have these, the haunted house and the spiders and the mice, and the crows. And so that's the new rub-ons that they have. So I made a couple of cards I wanted to share with you that you can use your Dollar Tree products to make awesome cards, or you know. So here's one I made with one of the stickers that I shared last week, and it's just so simple. This is My Mind Eye paper from a 6x6 paper pad. I can't think of the name of it right now. So I got that one, and then I made this one. This is with the new Frank Garcia Prima 31 paper, and then this is a simple story sentiment, and then the stickers are from the Dollar Tree. I think that turned out nice. And then paper from my stash. I like this one a lot. And then last but not least, I think this is my favorite one because it's kind of my jam, just paper. But this is the rub-on. it worked really well for me, except when the tea got stuck on my finger somehow and part of it came off. So I had to draw it in. But I think it turned out cute. And this is paper from that Simple Story Haunted Halloween, I think. And then a die cut out from, I think, Gina Reed. So this is my favorite. So which one do you like the best? Let me know below. 1, 2, or 3. Okay, now to the good part. So since I found some new rub-ons, I thought I would have a drawing. So I'm going to include some of the same stickers that I used in, my camera's not focusing. Focus power. There you go. And then I have this one, and the nose, and the cute little fall scene. And then the Halloween Hocus Pocus. Another Halloween that has Hocus Pocus written on that. And the cute little ghosts. And then the rub-ons. That one, that one, and that one. So if you're interested in winning these stickers and rub-ons, let me know below. You just need to be 18 years old or older, live in the United States, and be a current subscriber. And I'll do the drawing on Friday. So let me know below if you're interested. It's the second time around. So if you didn't win the last time, maybe you'll win this time. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys on the next video, which will be coming out probably this week. Thank you.